Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Draw.io offline in 2026. If you want to create and edit diagrams without an internet connection, this guide will help you get started step by step. First, download and install the Draw.io desktop application on your computer. The desktop version allows you to work completely offline without relying on a web browser. Next, launch the application after installation. You'll be able to create, edit, and save diagrams directly on your device. Now choose a local storage location when creating a new diagram. This ensures your files remain available even when you're not connected to the internet. Next, create a new diagram from a blank canvas or select one of the available templates. Now use the Shapes panel to add flowcharts, network diagrams, UML diagrams, or any other visual elements you need. Next, customize your diagram by adding text, connectors, colors, and formatting options, just as you would in the online version. Now save your work regularly to a folder on your computer to prevent accidental data loss. If you need to share your diagram later, export it as a PDF, PNG, SVG, or another supported format. Next, reconnect to the internet whenever you want to upload files to cloud storage or collaborate with others. Finally, keep the desktop application updated so you can access the latest features and improvements. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Draw.io offline. You can now create and edit diagrams anytime, even without an internet connection. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.